Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So in today's tutorial I have for you this amazing dramatic makeup look. I love this kind of colors, I love this style. In today's video I also did my skin, but I confess I'm doing a little skin treatment, so my skin is not having the best looking. I hope you don't care about it. And also tell me in the comments what is your favorite medicine for skin to prevent acne or those little things, because sometimes I break out a lot. So that's it for this video. I really hope that you like it. So now if you want to see how I got this makeup look, stay tuned and let's get started. So to begin this makeup look, I'm gonna apply the shadow base of Ochre Paint Pot by MAC. I'm gonna apply with my clean finger all over the lid. And next, just to diffuse the colors, I'm gonna apply a nude eyeshadow in my crease, and this is the shade Heart Shaped Cookie. These amazing shades are from Sugarpill. I love to use this shade just to blend the others later on. Next, I'm gonna use the Marvin Corn palette by BH Cosmetics, and this is from Marvin Magnificent. So I'm gonna start off applying in the outer corner the shade Savage. This is a dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use this one to blend in my crease as well. Next, I'm gonna apply this black shade, and just in the outer corner, this is the color Breakdown. Next, I'm gonna use two beautiful eyeshadows by Colourpop. I'm gonna use first this brown. This is the color Noontide. It's amazing. I love the texture of these eyeshadows, but I really need to set because it's a little creamier than I thought it could be, but I really like the color, so I'm gonna apply this brown shade just beside of the black that I just applied. And next, I'm gonna apply the color Bubbly in my eyelid. I love this pink shade. It's very shimmery and glittery at the same time. It's so beautiful, but I really have to apply a eyeshadow base to get the perfect result because this shade is a little transparent. Next, I'm gonna apply the color 8000. That is this gold highlighter from the palette. It's so beautiful and very pigmented. This color is more buttery and I really love it, especially on top of this brown eyeshadow from Colourpop. And next, I'm gonna apply in the eyelid right on top of the pink shade from Colourpop, the shade Living the Life, also from the same palette. Now, to highlight the inner corner of my eyes, I'm gonna use the color Shish. Also is a highlighter from the same palette. Yes, I used the three highlighters as well, just on top of the cream eyeshadows to set them, and I really like the effect. Now I'm gonna just line my eyes, apply this gel liner in the waterline and also in the lower lash line, and this is the gel liner by Inglot. I'm gonna apply with a tiny fancy brush. I love this liner because it's so black. So I just applied my fake lashes, and this is by 80s Beauty in the style Athena. I love these lashes. It's so fluffy and wispy. So now I'm gonna do my skin. So I'm gonna start off applying my foundation, and today I'm using Super Stay 24 Hour by Maybelline. I like this foundation so much, especially the dry effect in my skin is so beautiful and stay matte. Next, I'm gonna apply the concealer Age Rewind, which I love so much, and today I'm using the shade Fair. So I'm gonna apply this concealer under my eyes, in my chin, and a little bit in my forehead. So to blend the cream products in my face, I'm using a Glam beauty blender. And now to set everything, I'm gonna use the Transluscent powder by NARS. I love this powder so much because it's so thin and I basically cannot see this powder in my face, but it sets and creates a beautiful airbrushed effect in my skin. Next, I'm gonna apply blush, and this is the shade Swish Dot by The Balm. I love this coral shade. And to finish off this amazing look, I'm gonna mix two beautiful colors from Melt Cosmetics, and this is the liquid lipstick, which I love the formula. So today I'm using the shade Ladylike, and also I'm gonna mix a little bit of the Cookie Cutter. So that's it, my lovies. I really hope that you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Bye!